Let me write a program to find the length of an array. Let's create a class. Let's create a class. So I'll be giving the class as finding length of array. Okay, public static void main, finish. And here we'll be giving an array. So int array arr equals to, I'll be giving the array over here without new 10 20.
Hello, sir.
Yep, 40. Yes. Okay, fine. See, uh, let's write a program to find the length of the array. Write a program to find the length of the array. Okay, so I'll take one array, simple array. I'll take a simple array. Arr equals to, I'll give some values in it. Let's say I'll be storing 40 till values till 40. Okay, so what would be the size of the array? It is 4, but I want to find out the, even though I want to print the size in my console. So I'll say error dot length. So this will return the length of the array. Let me write a printout statement over here. Length of the array is, okay. Let's run the Java application. So it is printing 4. The length of array is 4. Okay.